Hello everyone, this is the starting of our tutorial. Since I already took a tutorial to show you how to cut out the number with our template, so I fast skip the procedure and starting here. And the following, I will use this number and the light to make the lighting marquee number. Okay, now let's go on. Okay, firstly, let's check our number. Look, if you make the number by combine two foam ball and tie with the tape or other group, so we have to use some material to cover the tape. If you make the number by using one foam ball, you can skip this procedure. But anyway, if we combine the foam to make a large marquee number, so we have to combine several foam balls to make it. So I will use this fabric. This fabric not wide enough, but anyway, since I only have this fabric on hand, you can use white paper or any white fabric. Maybe wallpaper will be better. Anyway, let's go ahead. Just draw and cut it out will be okay. Okay, this is the number we cut. Okay, then let's take the middle light. Okay, look. So the next step, we need to decide how many bubbles we need to put on the number. So we will decide to measure this ball to this ball. The distance of these two spots 12 cm. So we will put on the bubble every 12 cm. Okay, so we will lift two sides with 6 cm of the margin. Just for example, you can define the distance you like. 6 cm. And then the following will be 12 cm. So obviously, there are some space left. So we will average 3 cm. We will average the distance. We can adjust the distance when you set the place for the bubble. Because we average the 1 cm to every distance of the bubble, so the distance will become 30 cm. So this place will be 30 cm. Okay, right to this place. And obviously, we need to put one bubble on the middle of this place. And for this place, we need to make one bubble. Take the middle place will be okay. 12 cm. There's no rule about how to set the place of the bubble we need to put on. Just try your best to average the distance of the bubble will be okay. Okay, look. It looks the come out will be okay. Okay, so we set the bubble list like this. Okay, now let's take the measurement for our light to make sure our light could be put on the number. is about 2.6 cm. So the diameter is 2.6 cm, so half of the dimension, 1.3. Okay, look, we make the hole on the fabric. Okay, then just stick it on our foam ball will be okay. You can use some glue, but I use double face tape will be okay. So because this fabric thick enough, so it will not wrinkle. Look, our fabric not wide enough because I only have this one on hand. You can use the wider fabric or paper will be better. Okay, anyway. Okay, look, so let's place the paper on the number. Okay, then cut the fabric or paper to fix the ball. Okay, completed. Use some glue will be better. Okay, then let's make the hole on the foam ball. If you have the machine, the drill, that will be better. But I don't have them, so I have to use this one. Okay, just one hole. Very easy to make. Okay, look, this is the effect after I make the hole on the number. And then let's make the frame. Okay, so let's use our hot glue to place the frame around the number. Since I already to show you how to make the Marquee number, so I don't repeat much detail. Okay, since I already took a tutorial to show you how to make the Marquee number, if you are interested, click here for the tutorial. So I don't repeat the procedure on this video. Let's check the effect after completing. Okay, completed with the Marquee number. Okay, the next step, just install the line will be okay. Okay, very simple. Just take the line to go through the hole and then install the bubble will be okay. Okay, look, this is the effect after we install the light. Then let's make the stand for the number. Okay, making the stand will be very easy. Take another foam ball and this material and use some sticky glue. I use the double face tape, but it's not sticky enough. You can use some high quality of glue or hot glue will be better. Since I just try to make you the sample, so double face tape will be okay. Okay, then take our Marquee number. Firstly, okay, and if you want it much more firmly, look, there are some hole on this material, so you can tie or nail them together. Okay, complete it with the Lighting Marquee number. Look, let's light up the light. Okay. The come out will be very pretty. Let's check it from darker environment. Okay, I turn off the light so we can check the effect from darker environment. Look, the come out very pretty and very easy to make. For your information, we supply the template for the number and letter in different size. If you are interested, you can inbox me via Facebook page. You can find the link to my page from the information field below this video. Okay, this is today's tutorial. If you like the idea, please give me a thumb up, like, share our tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye.